As I'm getting more and more into street photography, I wanted to try out new creative angles. I usually shoot with the Fujifilm XE-4, which is my main camera, but for street photography I wanted more portability and, to be honest, a cooler look to my camera. Well, Fujifilm is known for their coolness factor, so I decided to stick to that brand. So I went with the XE-4 and took it to the streets of Antwerp, Belgium. To max out the portability, I chose the Fuji XF27mm. It has an aperture of 2.8 and the lens is super flat. Without any research, I put everything on auto mode and went for it. Antwerp is one of those amazing cities in Belgium. Very modern, a lot of cool and beautiful people, cool places to visit, and the sun was also a nice surplus to the shoot. It took some time for me to let everything go and shoot in auto mode. I'm so used to controlling the aperture, the ISO and the shutter speed. But after a while, I felt so free and I could do whatever I want, look more into the light or look more to the people instead of controlling my camera. was it for this video. If you like what you saw, please leave a comment. And if you want, you can follow me on Instagram for more filmmaking and photography shenanigans. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see each other in the next video.